Are you looking to boost your marketing emails with products that actually grab attention and drive sales? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add a product module to your marketing email in HubSpot step by step so you can create engaging, high-converting emails effortlessly. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a pro tip to optimize your product displays for better clicks and conversions. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the Marketing tab. From the drop-down, select Email. Choose the email you want to edit or create a new marketing email by clicking Create Email. Once you're in the email editor, look for the Drag and Drop Modules panel on the left side. Here you'll see different types of modules you can add: text, images, buttons, and more. Scroll until you find the Product module. Now, simply drag the Product module into the section of your email where you want your product to appear. HubSpot will pull product information from your product library. If you've already set up your products, you'll see them listed. Choose the product you want to feature, and the details like product name, image, price, and description will automatically populate. If you haven't added your products yet, don't worry. Just go to Settings, greater than Objects, greater than Products and Quotes, and add your product details there. Once saved, they'll be available to insert into your email. After selecting your product, customize the layout, adjust the image size, tweak the description, and set a call to action button like Shop Now or Learn More. Make sure your CTA links directly to the product page for a seamless customer journey. Before you hit send, always preview your email on both desktop and mobile views to ensure the product module looks perfect across devices. And don't forget to run a quick test email to yourself. And that's it. You've successfully added a product module to your marketing email in HubSpot. With this simple step, your emails can become more dynamic and sales-driven. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments what product are you featuring in your next email. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.